There are two ways to go about with your time on this earth. One is to exist, the other one is to live. I think motorcycles help me live. So you're always searching, you're on the quest for something new.
Yeah, man. I don't know how we go, but it looks amazing.
The road to have it.
Or to push that boundary a little further. I think I'm going to be really happy there. My name is Santosh Vijay. I work for Royal Enfield. I'm from India. Part of my job is to ride motorcycles myself as well as get other people to ride motorcycles. 2021 we complete 120 years for the brand. So we thought the occasion is right, the timing is right. I think we should go to the South Pole. All they asked me was like, is it possible? We'll be landing on the northern end of the continent, very close to the Indian Antarctic Station, which is the Maitri. We will be cutting down the continent from the northern edge to the southern edge, to the Ross Ice Shelf. We'll be taking the route that Scott took to the South Pole. The whole expedition is about 35 days, out of which we've accounted to ride for about 15 days.
So the actual distance that we will be riding the motorcycle on the attempt would be close to 600 kilometers, averaging roughly 80 kilometers a day without breaking a sweat. That's the magic number.
At any point of time, one motorcycle is going to be ridden and we're going to do it on a relay format.
I want to account for the cold conditions, account for the altitude, because that will also kick in.
There is a chance of failure, but it won't be because of lack of preparation or lack of will.
Hi, I need a favor. I need you to patch Steve Randall onto this call. Tell him it's a little urgent. We are in the middle of a snowstorm here.
We were told that this is going to be very disheartening.
We still think it's possible.
We should have just moved ahead, yeah.
This is going to be an ultimate test for man and machine. For me, it is once in a lifetime. After I do this, I'm going to be kissing tarmac for the rest of my life.